Still a little wobbly, huh? I wonder if that's how it's just going to have to be. I don't know what else to do about that. You know, I think it's going to be fine. I could possibly, I think I can make it better. I think I can make it better. Okay. How can I make it better? How can I make it better, Joe? Shit, Christmas. I'd have to take that whole thing out and put plastic shims in there, and I'm running kind of out of plastic shims. But that's worst case scenario, right? I would have to get some more plastic shims and cut some of this out right in there. Okay, how about that? Let's try it that. Not like that. Okay. Good grief. Well, you're not going to see that. Okay. Again, my cut is facing out like it should be. Wedged over. It's still a little wobbly. But I've got a thought on that too. Maybe. Let's just see. I think that's just where it's gonna live. Just like that. Probably. Geez, why is it doing that? I got that all mashed down. What the heck? I don't want to go down any lower than that. I might have mashed it down too far. Some shims. I've got to save some shims for that side over there. Good Lord. Well, got that. I'll try it. That's what I'm going to have to try to do. Put some shims over here. Because when I'm stepping here, it's fine. When I step over here, it goes down. get 2 more tries. 2 more tries and that's it. That's it. Jeez. Look at that. I've done a number on that, haven't I? Good Lord. I need 2 more out of here. Really don't want this to break on me. This tile, right? Last thing I want is for the tile to break on me. Leave them right down there. Boy, they did really mash down, didn't they? Well, so be it. So be it. Put this guy down there again. Let's see what we're dealing with. See what we're dealing with here. That. So far, so good. If I wanted to tilt up on it, I can. But it feels actually pretty solid in there. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it just like that. I got to slide this away. Put this down there. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Jeez. Okay. Should be. I'm just gonna know that stuff's down there except you and me. That's right. Now to get this one in over there tight. It's hitting right there at the end, and I think that's just where it's going to live. And that's actually just dandy. Lines perfectly up right there. I'm liking that. Okay. There it is. You still watching? I'm liking it. Just trying to get it over as tight as I can. And see, if I really wanted to, once I use these shims over there, if I got any little bit of shim left, I could put a shim between the brick and the flashing. In fact, I can go back to the store and get 12 more of these. You get them in a 12 pack, and then I can cut some and put in here, you know, in a couple, 3 places, and that'll take that up, the slop. And then if I ever need to take that out, you know what I'm going to do. Okay, that one's good now, and that now tells me where that end is. So I've got all my full tiles from there down. And had I put all my full tiles in first and then mess with this, it would have been a lot trickier. That's why I'm dealing with this outside, so I've got the 3 tiles left. That way, see, now I can go in there with this, because I know it's going to line up with the edge of here, and it's right on the edge. And see, if I put it down in there, it drops way down there. It's like, that's no good. That is never going to work. So I've got 2 shims left. I'm going to cut some shims and fit it in there and get it to line up. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back, yes, with more videos.